हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। हाउ आर यू ऑल? कैसे हैं आप लोग? गुड मॉर्निंग उद्धव, गुड मॉर्निंग न्यूज़ बस्टर। Students, in today class we will discuss set and dictionary. Set and dictionary is very important topic, right, in Python. So in today lecture we will discuss the creation of set, which important method, operation on set, unpacking of set. Similarly dictionary important methods, right, and kuch practice questions and PYQs. Okay, I am also good. I'm also good. Okay, all is well. So बच्चे ये टॉपिक हम कंप्लीट करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल डिस्कस व्हाट इज सेट स्टूडेंट. What is set in mathematics, discrete mathematics? Set is a well-defined, unordered collection of unique element, right? What is set in discrete mathematics? Set is a unordered collection of unique element. Understood, student? So, for example, the notation of set represent like this. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 2, 1, 6. Is this set? No. Here duplicacy exists, student. Duplicacy not allowed. Duplicacy not allowed. So S equals to, so this is a set, student, right? Because set is a, this is not allowed. And it is unordered, student. What is the meaning of unordered? Unordered meaning, you can write this one. Either, sir, 1, 6, 2, 3, 4. Let this is S1 set. Right? So unordered, right, student? Unordered means कि like S1 equals to here, S1 equals to S2 बच्चे. ठीक है? In mathematics, set is a collection of unique element. It is unordered. Okay. So I want to implement this type of set in Python. I want to implement this set in Python. Then use set data type. Okay, student. Then we will use set data type, student. So set, it is a collection of unique values. Set, it is a collection of unique values. All right. It does not store duplicate values. Understood, student? It does not maintain order of value because this is unordered. Set is unordered, right? It does not support indexing and slicing. Why so, sir? If set is unordered, my dear student, if this is unordered, then unordered means either you can say like this one, 1, 2, 3, S equals to 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2. In mathematics, student, all are equal. So you can't decide ki index. You cannot say this index of this is 0, 1, and 2. This is not allowed, student, because here index this is 0, 1, and 2, 0, 1, and 2, 0, and 1, 2. You can't define index, student, because set is unordered. Understood? So that's why it does not support indexing and slicing. If not support indexing, then it not support slicing. Understood, student? Here all are equal. So that's why it does not support indexing and slicing. Understood? It is iterable. Sir, what is iterable? Iterable hai, you can access element, you can use in for loop, right? You can access one by one element in loop. It is mutable. Mutable means it is mutable, you can update in place. Once you create set, you can update in place, so that's why it is mutable. It can store only immutable values, bache. It can store only immutable value. This is important point, student. It can store only immutable values. Sir, what is the meaning of this, student? What is the meaning of this, student? It can store only immutable values. Sir, for example, s equals to like 2, 3, 10.5. Hello. Is this set, student? Say something. Is this set? Is it set or not? Yes, student. First one, S1 is a set or not? The set contain only immutable values. Understood? So is this immutable, list is mutable or immutable, student? Say something. List is mutable or immutable? Yes. So this is not allowed here. So this is not allowed. So that's why S1 is not set, student. This is not allowed because list is mutable. And second is perfect, student. This is allowed because tuple is immutable. Understood? Now, eighth point, B can represent set element within curly braces and with comma separator. And with comma separator. Okay, you know. Now, how we can create sets or syntax for set, student? So just like set variable VARs. Yes, Newsbuster, VAR values V1, V2, V3, comma laga ke, but all must be immutable. Remember it, all values, all must be immutable. Okay. What about this one, student? S equals to 10, 10, minus 5, 2.5 high. You can write a duplicacy in set, but it can't consider, it cannot be considered a duplicate value. It consider only unique value, student. So 10, 2.5, sir, 10, 10, student 10, 2.5 and high. So it consider only unique value, just like I am writing like this, sir, minus 5, 2.5 and high. But my dear student, set is unordered. So set is unordered, but it print in any order, right, student? Either this one or any other form, right? Because set is unordered. Because set is unordered, student. For I in S, this set S, print I. So you can use set on a loop because it is iterable. You can access element one by one, iterate, right? So that's why this is iterable, student. So I want to print I. What it print, student? sir, I don't know in which order it print because set is unordered. Maybe first time it print like high, and second element it print set maybe 10, third is set 2.5, and this is -5 because set is unordered, right? What about this one? What about this one, student? Print s -1. Print s -1 set not support indexing as well as in slicing. So in this case, it generate error because indexing not supported by set, student. So this is error. Understood? Now creation of set object. How we can create? Directly you can write on curly braces. So this is set. If you print this, then sir, it print in any order. Sir, in which order? I don't know, student. You don't know, sir. You don't know. I don't know. What is the order of this? Maybe any order, student, because set is unordered. So this is the output. What is the type of this one, student? It print class. Set. Okay. Similarly, we can create set object by using set constructor, set function. Yes, set constructor, set function के लिए s equals to set any sequence. What is the syntax for this set? You can pass here any sequence or iterable object, right? Any sequence or iterable object. For example, L equals to, this is a list, student, and here I am passing inside this set constructor this L. So what it print is, student? This L is this list, and now it create a set, student. It creates set, and duplicacy not allowed, student. So in any order, duplicate element eliminated, student. Okay. So like in any order, set 10, 20, 10, 40, 30. So in any order, student. Because set is unordered. Set range of this one. So 0 to 4, student. So 0 to 4 का मतलब क्या है? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you print this, then it print in any order, right? It print in any order, student. This set constructor, any order. Maybe this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or sir 1, 0, 4, 3, 2, right? Or any order, because set is what, sir? Set is unordered. Now little bit careful. While creating empty set, we have to take special care about. We have to take special care. Compulsorily, we should use set function, right? While we creating empty set, then you can use this function, student. Don't use this one. This is the notation of empty dictionary, right? This is the notation of empty dictionary. So if you want to generate empty set, then you can use this set constructor set method set. Okay. For example, s equals to this empty, then it is treated as dictionary but not empty set. It is treated as dictionary but not empty set, student. Okay. So creating set from a string, you can pass any sequence here. So directly you can pass this value, and I want to print this s. What print s? Is there any repetition here? Yes, sir. A repeated 2 times. Okay. Because set is unordered. So this is the answer. Because repetition not allowed, because unordered, and repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed here. Creating set from range function, bache. I want to create set this range function, already we have discussed. So range, sir, 1 to 4. 1 to 4 in any order, student, either 1 2 3 4 or in any sequence 2 4 3 1 3 1, right? Because set is unordered. Understood? Now creating set from list. How we can create set from list? Very simple, sir. You can pass direct list here. So it create set, sir. Repetition, repeated. This is a repeated element. You can write in only one time. Okay. This is set. Creating set from tuple. You can pass here tuple. So it create, sir, set. Creating set from comprehension. Sir, comprehension set support comprehension. So I into I for I in the range 1 to 5 means 1 to 4. So while I is 1, I into I is 1, sir, I is 2, 2 into 2, 4, I is 3, 3 into 3, 9, and this 16. Or in any order, it display in any order, maybe, sir, 9, 4, 16, 1, because set is unordered. Okay. Understood? Yes, student. What is the answer for this? So print as, if you print this as, it print what, sir? This one. And print type of as, what is the type of this as? It treat as a dictionary, not set, student. It treat as a dictionary. Treat as a dictionary, not set, student. For empty set के लिए you have to use this constructor, student, as equals to set. So if you print this as, then what it print, student? Empty set. This is the meaning of empty set. Empty set notation in empty set. So this is not empty set. This is a dictionary, student, right? So it print set. It indicate this is an empty set. What is the type of this? Set type of this is class set. Now important function of set student, some important function, add function, update function, some important function. So add item x to the set. What add function is doing? Sir, add item x to the set. S equals to 10, 20, 30, s dot add 40. So what it print is student, s dot add 40. Sir, it add 40 in this set student, okay, in place, because set is mutable. So set is mutable. After this you are printing this, then where this 40 add, I don't know, sir, because set is unordered. So set is unordered, maybe first, right? Because set is unordered. Okay, now can I write student, can I write like this? Yes. Yes, 1, 2, 3, add function. Can I write like this? What is the output of this student? Yes. Yes, say something. We can add only one item, so error. Yes, correct student. बिल्कुल correct, absolutely correct. So it take exactly one argument. Sir, it take exactly one argument. It take exactly one argument. Take exactly one argument, student. It take exactly one argument. So in this case, this is error. Understood? This is error, student. So here, this is error. Understood. Now, second example, student. Sir, can I write like this, student? Can I write like this? Can I write like this? What is the output? Error. Yes, very good. सही पकड़ा है आपने. So it is a error because list is mutable, right? This is a error. Why error, sir? Because list is mutable. So this is not allowed because list is mutable. And set contain what, sir? Set contain what? Immutable objects. Okay. This statement because list is mutable, right? So this again generate error. Okay. What about this one, student? S equals to 1 2 3 S dot add 4 5 print S. What is the output of this one? First is Z. Okay. So what is the output of this one? Yes, this is tuple student and tuple is sir immutable and this is one object only, single argument. Na? This is a single tuple, single argument. So the output of this one is what, sir? If you print this, then it print what? Sir, 1 2 3. Sir, in any order. Sir, in any order it displays. It is not compulsory at the last. Any order it can display. So this is the output, student. Okay. Because set allowed immutable values and tuple is immutable, that's why added. List is mutable, that's why it cannot be added to a set. Okay. Now next update, sir. I want to update multiple objects, not single multiple. Can I update with multiple by multiple object? Yes. So for this you can use this update method. Update x by z. What is x by z? It is not a single argument. It is a sequences, right? It's sequence or iterable object. This is what is student sequence or iterable object. Oh. Understood, understood. This is a sequence or iterable objects, right? So update function, multiple sequences allowed to add multiple items to the set. Arguments are not individual element student, and these are the iterable objects like list, range. All element present in the given iterable object will be added to the set student, will be added to the set. For example, here this is the example S, this is a set student. L is what, sir? L is a list, and S dot update L range 5, what it print student? What is the output of this one? So s dot update. So s dot update, if you update this set, so already set 10, 20, 30 exist in this set, right? And update via what's our L? This is a iterable object list, and range. This is a sequence. This is a list iterable object. This is range, the sequence, or this is also iterable. Okay. So set 40, 50, 60, and 10 is repeated. Here 10 is repeated 2 times. So only 1 time it returns. Set 30, 50, 60. All right. Apart from this, this range function generate what is to 0 to 0 to 4. So 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the output, but it is not compulsory in this order. You will get output maybe in any order, right? Because set is unordered. Maybe it may be 0, 1, 4, 3, 2, 40, sir 50, sir 60, 10, 20, like 30, like this. Okay. Or because set is unordered. So set is unordered, that's why you will get output in any order, student. Now, can I write, sir, S equals to 1, 2, 3. Can I write S dot update? Can I write S dot update, sir, 4, 5? Can I write like this, student? Yes, student, say something. Yes, Simran. Can I write like this? Why? Because in this, inside this it sequence or iterable objects allowed here. Here this is a integer object. Integer object is not iterable, student. So this is not allowed. This is not allowed. Not iterable. Okay. So so can I write like this, student? Or uh, Yes. Yes, student. What is the output? What is the output here and what is the output here? So output here, this is a iterable object, so it added in the set. So output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in any order, student, right? Because all are immutable. Similarly, the same answer here, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in any order, right? Any order, maybe in any order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 4, 3, 2, 5, 1. Okay. You can insert here multiple iterable object, student. एक साथ you can update set. So difference between what is the difference between add and update function in set? Sir, B can use add to add individual item to the set, whereas B can use update function to add multiple item to the set, right? Second, add function can take only one argument, whereas update function can take any number of argument, but all arguments should be iterable object. All arguments should be iterable object, student. So this is the difference, student. Now, which of the following are valid for set S? Which of the following, student, which of the following are valid for set S? Yes, student. Only A. Sir, add में single argument is allowed. Yes, so this is correct. This is valid, student. Because in add function, single argument, this is allowed. So this is correct. Okay. What about s dot add? You are assigning multiple arguments. So this is not allowed. This is not valid. Update में sir integer not allowed, student. So this is wrong. S dot update range sequences allowed. So A and D are valid. B and C are invalid, student. A and D are valid, B and C are invalid. Understood? Now next, remove remove से पहले I think next see this is I think fourth pop method बच्चे. This is important method. Pop method, it remove and return some random element from the set. It remove and return. It remove and return some random element from the set. For example, sir, S equals to, for example, S equals to 40, 10, 30, 20. This is a set, student. And print S, what it print, and subprint S dot pop. Print S dot pop, and after pop, student, I want to print S. So yes, student. Sir, if you print this as, then what it print? Sir, print this set in any order. I don't know in which order because that is unordered, student, right? So maybe 10, 20, 30, 40. Because set is unordered. What is the output of this one? Sir, pop method remove and return, remove some random element and return, right? It remove and return some random element from the set. Why random? Why random? Why I'm asking random word, student? In generally pop is a last and first out, right? In the pop is a last and first out, but indexing not support in set. You can't decide which one is the last, which one first, which one second. Understood, student? You can't decide, student. Sir, this one is the last or this one is the last. You can't decide, student. So that's why this is saying, sir, as dot pop, it remove and return some random element from the set. Sir, which element? Said I don't know, sir. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it may be like 40. Let I assume this is 40. Then if after this, if you print this, then it print 10, 30, 20. So this is the answer. Okay, this is pop method, bache. Some random element के लिए because set is unordered, student. Because set is unordered. Now come to remove. It remove specified element from the set. If the specified element not present in the set, then we will get key error, bache. Then we will get key error. So S equals to 40, 10, 30, and I want to remove such 30, then what will happen, student? If 30 exists in this set, then it will be removed, student. So yes, 30 exists here, so it removed. Now after this, I want to print this S, then what it print, student? In any order, sir, maybe 10, 40, 20. S dot remove 50, sir, I want to remove S dot 50, what it print, student? What is the output of this? Sir, it remove a specified element from the set. If the specified element is not present in the set, then we will get key error. So what is the output here? So this element not exists in the set, so it generate what's our key error? Because 50 not in the set. Because 50 not in the set. All right, now next देखिए clear method to remove all element from the set. To remove all element from the set. Only element are removed, but set exists, student. Only elements are removed. So S equals to this print S. What it print? Like this is 10, 20, 30, or in any order. S dot clear. When you S dot clear, then it remove all element, student. S dot clear method remove all element from the set. Only elements are removed, student. Now after this, I want to print this as what it print, student. What it print? No, this is the notation of dictionary, Uddhav. This is the notation of dictionary. So it print what? Empty set. What is the notation of empty set, student? Sir, this one. Okay, so it indicate empty set. Some mathematical operation on the set, student. Union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference. We'll discuss, student. What is union, student? You know what is union? Union in mathematics, student. You know, sir, X union Y in set theory. What is the meaning of this one, student? Okay. But in mathematics, well, sorry, in Python, the union notation for union operator is student X dot union x dot union by, or you can say x this previously we have used this for bitwise or, but if you pass bit by bit, then this is bitwise, or if you pass set here, then this is a union. So x union by means what, student? Okay. It is just like x union by. So you can write either this form or in this form. We can use this function to return all element present in both set, student. So we know, sir, union will eliminate duplicate element. Sir, union will eliminate duplicacy, right, student? Plus operator not allowed on set, student. Now second intersection operation. So notation for intersection x dot intersection by, or you can say this one, student. This is bitwise AND bache. If you pass bit here, then it perform bitwise AND. If you pass set here, it perform intersection, student. Okay. So the meaning of this is x intersection by. It return common element present in both set x and y. Okay, so here x equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, y equals to 30, 40, 50, 60. This is union, student. What is the output of this one? Common element removed here, duplicacy removed, student. Or in any order, it is not compulsory this orders, because set is unordered. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, duplicacy removed. What about this is intersection. Which one is common, student? Common 30, 40, here 30, 40, this is common. So this is intersection. Now next is x dot difference by. इसको बोलते हैं difference, or the notation of x, either x difference by, or you can say x minus by. It return what? Return the element present in x but not in y. Present the element return in present the element present in x but not in y, student. So x equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, y equals to 30, 40, 50, 60. This is the two set, student. What is x minus y? It return present element in x but not in y. So present in x but not in y. Is 10, 20 present in this? No. But 30, 40 present in this, student. So it print what? So 10 and 20. Element present in x but not in y. What about print y minus x? Element present in y but not in x. So present in y only but not in x. So this is 50, 60, 30, 40 present in x also. So this is the output. All right. Now symmetric difference next. Symmetric difference ko we are saying x XOR. XOR symmetric difference means XOR in digital electronics, and XOR we can say like this one. Okay, so we can say x dot underscore symmetric underscore difference, student, or directly you can write like this: return element present in either x or y but not in both. Present element either in x or y but not in both, student. तो symmetric difference सर क्या होगा? Sir, the meaning of symmetric difference, you can say this is sir present in x, and this one is, student. So what is the meaning of this, sir? In mathematics, x minus y union y माइनस एक्स, यही था ना? सॉरी, ये सेट है बच्चे, इसको सेट के नोटेशन में आप लिख लीजिए। अंडरस्टूड। So what is the output of this one, student? Sir, x minus y is 1020, y minus x 5060, and in any order because this is unordered, student, right? So this is answer. All right. Chaliye, what is the answer of this question, student? What is the answer of this question, student? Yes. What is the output of this question? So do you know little bit about function? Bache, here we are using the function concept, right? So def, this is a function definition, student, here, and here I am calling this function for two sets, student. I am calling this function, okay. So S1 is pointing to what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and S2 is pointing to 5, 6, 7, 8. S1 is pointing to what? 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and S2 is pointing to, sir, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So this condition is saying what? If not S1 or not S2, if anyone is empty set, if anyone is empty set, then it return what, student? If anyone is empty set, then it return empty set. Phi, or this notation, student, in mathematics. I am showing this in mathematics. Okay. In mathematics, I am mathematics. In terms of set, you can write like a complete set. Okay. Now, if any set is empty, no, sir, this condition is not true. Element equals to S1 dot pop. Element equals to S1 dot pop. Sir, which element pop, sir? Sir, I don't know, sir, which element pops, sir, because it returned random element from the set student. This pop method, this delete random element and return, sir. Sir, which number random elements are either 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which elements? Let I assume 2 here. Let I assume this 2 is what, sir, pop from this set. Now element equals to what, sir, 2. Check. Element in S2 is 2 in S2. No, sir, 2 is not exist in S2. So else part is running. Else part running, this function is calling. Again, this function is called. Again, this function is called fun S1, S2 student. But now S1 equals to what? So 3, 4, 5, 6 and S2 equals to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now again check. Either any one set is empty. S1 is empty. No. This condition is what, sir? Not S1. This S1 क्या है, sir? This is not empty. Not S1 से क्या हो जाएगा? S1 is not empty. Understood? Or S2 is not empty. If anyone is empty, then this condition is true. But now both is not empty, student. So this condition is true. This condition, sorry, this condition is false. Okay. Agar anyone is empty, then this condition true. If both is not empty, this condition is false. So here this condition again false. Then element equals to S1 dot pop. S1 dot pop say, sir, now next time which element pops, sir? I don't know, randomly. Let I assume this 3. So element equals to S1 dot pop. हो गया. If element in S2 is 3 in S2, no, sir, 3 not in S2. This condition again false, बच्चे. This is false. Then else part is executed. It return what? Fun S1, S2. Now again this function is called for S1, S2. S1 is empty? No. S1 contain 4, 5, 6. S2 contain 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now again check not S1 or not S2. Is anyone is empty? Yes, this is not empty. This is not empty. Condition is this condition is true or not, student? Understood? S1 का मतलब क्या है, sir? What is S1? Sir, not empty. So not से not कट गया, right? S2 is not empty. Not से not कट गया, तो this condition false हो गई ना? Overall this result what, sir? False अभी. So ये execute नहीं होगा. Element equals to S1 dot pop. Again, sir, random element pop होगा कहाँ से, sir? S1 से. So S1 से pop हुआ. Let I assume this 4. So 4 and check 4 in S2. No, sir, 4 is not in S2, student. 4 not in S2. Yes, else part execute हुआ. Again function call हुआ. S1 S2 बच्चे. Again this S1 S2 call हुआ. Okay. Now next, anyone is empty? No. So element S1 dot pop. Let I element equals to S1 dot pop. Element में 5 आ गया. If 5 in S2, this 5 in S2, yes, sir, 5 in S2. It return what? In this case, it return this, student. Fun S1 S2. S1 S2 means what? Here I am writing S1 S2. Again this function called, student, S1 S2. If is anyone is empty? No, sir. S1 is not empty, S2 is not empty. So again this condition false. Element equals to S1 dot pop. Now in this case element equals to S1 dot pop is 6. Okay. So element in S2, yes, sir. Element in S2. Then return what, sir? Element ये union है. Return what, sir? Element union fun S1 S2. Fun S1 S2. Now again function call not S1 or not S2. Is anyone is empty? Yes, sir, S1 empty है. Not S1 means what, sir? S1 क्या है? S1 empty है. This is empty. Not empty, it true हो जाएगा. So it return what, sir? 5. This condition is true. It return 5. Sir, 5 means what, sir? 5 means in mathematics this one, or in set मतलब empty set. Here I am talking about mathematics. तो इसका union किया. So overall, sir, this will be what, sir? Here come to this place. So it will be what, sir? 5, 6. So this is the answer, student. So B is the answer for this question. All right. 5, 6 is the right answer for this question. Yes, student, what is the right answer for this question? What is the correct answer for this question, student? Yes, Uddhav Singh D. So, but this is the GATE P by Q. Last year question, GATE 2025, this question asked. Okay. So, we have already discussed append function. Sir, what is the output of append function? If I write A dot append B, then what is the output of this one? This is the output. But you need what? Sir, you need output look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why this is not answer, student. A dot update. Sir, update function not exist in list, student. Update method. Update method not exist in list, student. So that's why this is not answer. What about C? A dot insert. Sir, A dot insert, this is not in proper syntax. The syntax of it should be what, sir? A dot insert. First should be, sir, index and then element. First should be index, then element. So that's why this is not correct. So now D part, A dot extend B. A dot extend B is give correct answer, student. Why so? We have already discussed this type of question. So the output of this is, yesterday we have discussed this type of question. So right answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the correct answer. A dot extend B. Yes, student. What is the right answer for this question? Yes, student. What is the right answer? So Newsbuster is saying A. Okay, let's try, student. Sir, A, this is a set, this, that, B, another set, that, other, and C, another set, sir, other, and this. Sir, while other in C, Is this true or false, student? Other in C? Yes, sir. Other in C. This is a membership operator. It tell what, sir? This is true. So now in this case, this condition is, sir, what, sir? This is true. Now, if this is true and go inside this body of this loop, if this in A, yes, sir, this condition is also true. Then A equals to what, student? This is a parallel assignment, sir. A equals to what, sir? A minus B. A equals to what, sir? A minus B. And B equals to what, sir? B minus C. And sir, C equals to C minus A. Right? So now, so what is updated A, student, and what is updated B? What is updated C, student? So A minus B, subtract A minus B. The common part is what, sir? That is removed here. So this contain what, sir? Only this. A minus B, so that is removed this. Okay. Sir, B minus C. So this is B minus C. Say as the common part is other. So this contain only that. Right? B minus C, this contain only that. Now C minus A, which part is common, sir? This part is common. Yes, it contain other. Okay, this set is updated. Understood? Now after this line, you come at this and check this condition. If that in B, yes, sir, this condition is true. This condition is true, student. Now A is updated to what, sir? C minus C union A. C union A. After this, sir, what is A? After this, what is A, student? Sir, C union. This is a union sign. A equals to C union A. What is B? Sir, B equals to A union B. What is C? B union C. So now perform here, student. After this, what you have to do? Sir, A equals to C union A. A equals to C union A. C union A, and B equals to A union B, and C equals to B union C. This is what, sir? B union C. Okay. So now perform this one, student. C union A. Sir, this is C, student. This is C, and this is A. This is C union A. So output of this one is what, sir? Other union A, other this. Okay. What about this one, student? B, A union B. So A union B, what, sir? इन दोनों का sum, sir. This and that. What about this one, sir? B union C. Sum of these two, sir. That other. Okay. Answer सही है ना? Okay, fine. After this completion, again go to this while loop. This is a loop, student. Other in C, yes, other in C. This condition again true. In second iteration, this condition again true. This in A, yes, this condition is again true. This in A. This in A. Then again you have to perform what, sir? A equals to A minus B, and B equals to B minus C. Again, what you have to perform, sir? A equals to what, sir? A minus B, and B equals to, sir, B minus C, and C equals to C minus A. So tell me, student. So this is updated set, student. a equals to a minus b. This is a minus b, so this is cancel out. Okay, so here this set contain what, sir? Other. A minus b means common part is eliminated. Now b minus c, common part is that, so this that is eliminated. And c minus a, क्या होगा बच्चे? c minus a, this c minus a other is common, right? So that, okay, ये रिजल्ट आपका फर्स्ट इटरेशन का है. दिस इज फर्स्ट इटरेशन. And here this is second iteration. Okay, so this one, fine. After this, in second iteration, you go to here, student. In second iteration, that in b, is that in b? No, sir. So this condition is false. If this condition is false, my dear student, so you back to this while loop. Other in c, student, is other in c, this condition is true. There's a third iteration. It is what, sir? In third iteration, it is false, right? So it is false. If this is false, then you this condition is false, so no need to write. So the final output आपका क्या है? So finally output, okay. So which one is the right answer, student? This is saying at the end, which of the following set contain this? So which set contain this? Only B, student. Only B contain this. Okay, so this is the right answer. Okay, स्टूडेंट्स GFG पे अभी 60 डे चैलेंज चल रहा है, राइट? 60 डे चैलेंज क्या है कि आपको GFG के बारे में सर लिंक्डइन पर पोस्ट करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट, आप गेट प्रोग्राम के बारे में लिंक्डइन पर पोस्ट करिए और ये 30 नवंबर तक है. सर आपको क्या मिलेगा इसके बदले? आपको गिफ्ट मिलेंगे GFG की तरफ से, आपको हुडीज़ और टी शर्ट्स और जो भी हुड्स मिलेंगे, राइट? सो लास्ट डेट 30 नवंबर है, तो आप लोग 60 डे चैलेंज में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट. Now this is the end of set, student. Now next is dictionary, student. What is dictionary? Dictionary and what is dictionary? And it is represented by this curly braces, student. This is empty dictionary. And dictionary is a group of key value pair, student. So what is dictionary? Dictionary is a group of key value pair. Sir, here this is key and this is value. Another this is key and value. Sir, another this is key and sir value. Another this is key and value dot 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 like this. Okay. आज का कोई भी सेशन अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है बच्चे, या कभी का जो भी अच्छा लगा है, आप पोस्ट कर दीजिए, राइट? जो सेशन आपको अच्छे लगे हैं, राइट, तो उनको आप जी लिंक्डइन पे पोस्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके. So dictionary is a group of key value pair. Here student, this K1, sir, K2, K3, K4, KR, these are the keys, right? So these keys are these are keys, and keys must be, this keys, it must be unique, right? These are the key. It must be unique and immutable. Keys must be unique and immutable, student. Immutable. And values, these are the values. These are the values here, student. These are the values. So values can be duplicate or immutable or mutable, anything, right? So in dictionary, data is stored in the form of key value pair, student. Data is stored in the form of key value pair. यस स्टूडेंट, सिमरन कुमारी, नोट्स आप खुद बनाए हो या पीडीएफ अपलोड होते हैं? यस, खुद बनाए हैं बच्चे, खुद बनाए हैं। सेल्फ क्लास के नोट्स भी अपलोड होते हैं, पीडीएफ भी अपलोड होती है बच्चे इनकी नोट्स की। जीएफजी रिसोर्स सेक्शन पे, और आई थिंक गेट सेट, यस, उद्धव इज सेइंग करेक्ट, गेट सेट पर ये सारे पीडीएफ अपलोड होते हैं, आप वहां जाके देख सकते हैं सिमरन। ओके, जीएफजी पोर्टल पर, गेट सेट पर ये सारी पीडीएफ अपलोड होती है। ओके so now come to dictionary. Dictionary, this is a here in dictionary, order preserved, and this is mutable, student. Dictionary itself is a mutable. Dictionary itself is a mutable, but keys must be immutable, student. Okay. If I talk about dictionary, so it is mutable. Dictionary, if I talk about dictionary, it is mutable. It maintain order of keys or ordered. It is mutable, ordered. Okay. So these are the points related to dictionary, student. You can see here. A dict, this is the constructor for dictionary, student. Dict, a dict is a group of key value pair where key and value both are controlled by the programmer, student. Here keys are unique, student. Keys are unique and values, keys are unique. Keys are unique, student. Keys are unique and values can be of duplicate. Okay. B perform operation on dictionary by using keys. This is important point. B perform operation on keys by using keys, student. And it is mutable. It is mutable. It maintain order of key, and keys must be immutable, and the value can be of any type. Okay. The syntax for dictionary, student, like K1 key colon value comma K2 key colon this value of K2 key. Okay. So this is the syntax. Here variable is a dictionary variable. D equals to 101 colon Virat. So here key is 101 and Virat is a value of this key. 105 is a key and Rohit is a value of this key. 204 is a key and Rahul is a value for this key. Print type of D. I want to print this type of D. Then what it print? The class dict, student. The type, this is a dictionary, so that's why it print class dict. Print D. I want to print D as it is, it print. As it is, it print this dictionary, student. 101 colon Virat, 105 Rohit, 204 Rahul. Okay. Similarly, Student, look here. This WC is a World Cup variable, dictionary variable, World Cup. And here Bharat, this is a key, student, and colon, and this is the value. Colon, this is the value, student. Australia, this is a key, and here this is what, student? This is the value. Okay. So look here, student, मैंने आपको लिखाया है keys are unique and value can be duplicate, no problem. We perform operation on dict using key. It is mutable. कौन सर? डिक्शनरी. इट इज म्यूटेबल सर, किसकी बात हो रही है सर? डिक्शनरी. It maintain order of key. Keys must be immutable. This is important point, student. Keys must be immutable and values can be of any type. Okay. So my dear student, here keys must be immutable. So this is the key, student. This is immutable. Australia, this is a, yes, immutable, but values can be of any type. Here values is mutable. This is a list. Here values is tuple. So this is immutable. You can't change. This is fixed. You cannot change. But you can change this. This is immutable, right? If I print WC World Cup, then what it print? It print as it is, sir. As it is this dictionary. Bharat, colon, Rohit, Gill, Virat, Australia, Warner, Jempa. So, bache, Bharat, this is a flexibility. You can change player here up. You can change here player because list is mutable. But Australia team is fixed, right? So, Warner and Jempa. Australia team is fixed, student. Okay. So, another example, D equals to this dictionary, bache. And similarly, output, this is the output, this dictionary. What about this one, student? What it print, student? Is this valid dictionary or invalid? Is this valid dictionary or invalid, student? Check it first and tell me, is this valid or invalid dictionary? Is this valid or invalid dictionary? Yes, Uddhav, Sidhu, Simran, Newsbuster. So, my dear student, in dictionaries, this is an important point. Keys must be immutable. Keys must be immutable. Itself, dictionary is mutable, but keys must be immutable. Okay. So here this is immutable key because numeric integer number immutable. This is immutable and okay. This is immutable. All right. This is immutable. All right. This is immutable. All right. What about this? This key. This is immutable. Right, student? No, all is good. All is good. Problem here, sir. This is this key. You are using list as a key, but list is mutable and keys must be immutable. Understood, student? So this is not allowed here. Okay. Not allowed. Keys must be immutable. Only immutable keys are allowed in dictionary, बच्चे. Now, how to create dictionary with student? Dictionary create करने के there are various method. We are creating empty dictionary with the help of this one. You can create empty dictionary. Okay, Subham Das, recorded class लग रहा है. How to create empty dictionary? D equals to this one, and D equals to, you can write like this, student. We are creating an empty dictionary. We can add entry as follows. Sir, if you write like this and write like this, we are creating empty dictionary. We can add element entry as follower. इससे क्या होगा बच्चे? empty dictionary होगा. You can create empty dictionary. And we can add entry as follows like this, student. First of all, you are creating what, sir? Empty dictionary. And after this, sir, D100 is what, sir? Krishna. 200 is Ravi. 300 Shiva. Print D. What it print, student? Here, this is the key. 100 is the key. And value is what, sir? Krishna. Second, sir, 200 is the key. And value is what, sir? Ravi. 300 is the key. Value is Shiva. Okay. If we have data in advance, then you can create dictionary like this, student. So this is the notation. D equals to key value, key value. Okay. Now creating dictionary from dict. Creating dictionary from dict, student. D equals to dict. You can create dictionary via using dict method. So dict constructor, this you can use dict constructor one apple. Here I am using this entire this sir list, and I am passing here group of key value pair. Sir, 1 apple, sir, 2 mango, 3 orange. This is a tuple, student. This is a tuple. Okay. If I want to print this D, what it print? It create dictionary. It create a dictionary. 1 become the sir key, and apple is the value here. Okay. So 2 become the key, and mango is the value. Similarly, 3 become the key, and orange. So this is the answer. Similarly, you can take this element pair in any, either in tuple or in list or in mixed form. So here this is in the form of list, student. And in the last example, mixed form, tuple, list and list. Okay. So the output of all create this type of dictionary, bache. So this is the output. Okay, L equals to group of key value pair. If you pass 2 to value pair, then output, sir, if length of string is 2, student, length of string is 2, okay, then sir, A become the sir key, and P is the value, student. A is the key and P is the value. Similarly, sir, X is the key and Y is the value. Similarly, sir, P is the key and 4 is the value. So this is a dictionary. Okay. If you print this, then it print like this. Student, can I write like outer bracket is tuple? Yes, student. Here I am using outer bracket is in the list. Can I write like this in form of tuple, student? Can I write like this? Or let I take mixed value here. Yes, sir. Perfect, sir. You can take no problem at all. Okay. The output of this is same output, student. One apple, two mango. This is the output. Okay. Can I write like student this outer bracket? D equals to dict. Can I write like this? Yes, student, tell me. Can I write like this, student? Understood what my question is. Actually, you are outer this list. Here I am using, sir, this parenthesis also, no problem. Can I write this is the function sign, right? Dict constructor sign. Inside this, I am passing this whole in the set. So, yes, Subham Das, are you in the class? So this is not allowed because if you pass, then curly braces student, and curly braces indicate this is a set student here, right? Element, right? So set contain immutable value. So tuple is immutable. This tuple is immutable. But my dearest, this list is mutable because not allowed here. Set contain immutable values, right? So this is not allowed. You have to pass in the form, just like a student. I am writing this in list के form में. So triple AP by X by, and it contain inside another list student. Okay, D equals to dictel. So print D. What it print student? Is this valid student? Is this valid? Tuple is immutable and B pass list in tuple. Yes. Yes, Uddhav. So dict L, is it valid or invalid, student? So it generate error. Why so, sir? Because you are creating what, sir? Dictionary with the help of this path, but it must be, the string must be in the form of pair. The length of this string 2, right? 2 length, 3 not allowed, student. If you are saying 3 here, then which become the key and which become the value? So you can't determine, student. So in this case, it generated error. This is okay, perfect. This is okay. This is a key and this is a value. This is a key and this is a value. But here, this is not good. Allowed here. Okay. Similarly, student, I pass here just like a apple. What is the output of this one, student? So this is also error because key range values not in pair, student. Not in pair. Not in pair. So that's why this is the error, student. All right. So, okay, fine. Now creating dictionary from comprehension. Creating dictionary from comprehension, student. So just write here key expression, student. Just write here key expression colon value expression, key expression colon value expression for condition. For example, this become the key, student. This become the key for I colon, and this is the value for I in this range 1 to 5. So 1 to 5 means what, sir? 1 to 4. It goes to up to 1 to 4, student. So print D. What it print, student? Print D. What it print? कोई मिस्टेक किया है क्या मैंने, सिमरन? ओके. ओके, बोल चूल माफ पड़ावा. So print D. What it print, student? So 1 become the key and the 1 square, this is the value, student. Now 2 and the value of this is 4 and 3 the value of this is 9 and 4 the value of this is 16. So this is the dictionary. In this way you can create dictionary. This is a dictionary comprehension. Okay. Next is how to access data from the dictionary, student. We can access data by using keys, student, by using keys. Like D equals to 100, Virat 200, Rohit 300, Rahul. So print D 100. So what it print, student? 100. The value, it written the value corresponding to 100 keys, student. So it gives Sir Virat. Now D 300. give value corresponding to 300 student. Rahul. Okay. So if the specified key is not available, then we will get key error. For example, D400. So it gives what student? D400. This key exists in this dictionary? No. So it generate error. Dear student, str string list or tuple, we can access element through index student, through index, right? In list tuple, in list string or tuple, in string list or tuple, we can access element through index. But in dictionary, we can access element through keys, because here element is stored in the form of key value pair. So in dictionary, we can access element through key. In str list tuple, we can access element through index. All right. So how to update dictionary student? So you can update dictionary D key value. If the key is not available, then a new entry will be added to the dictionary. If the key is not available, then a new entry will be added to the dictionary with the specified key value pair student. Okay. This first point. Second, if the key is already available, then old value will be replaced with the new value. Understood? So for example, D, this is a dictionary: 1 Rohit, 2 Rahul, 3 Virat. You can update dictionary with the help of this student. Sir, if the key is not available, then new entry will be added to the dictionary with the specified key value pair. If the key is already available, then old value will be replaced with the new value. Let's suppose this is a dictionary. D2 equals to Gill. What does it mean? D2. 2 means 2 kill. Rahul का performance अच्छा नहीं है. Now Gill, remove Rahul and entry Gill entry. So this is updated. D6 equals to Dhoni. Is Dhoni exist here? No. So if this is not exist, so you can add here Dhoni. Okay. So after this line, D6, is 6 number key is not exist, then you are updating this Dhoni. So this is, and D7 exists here is to no, D7 not exists. So next is 7, and 7th number batting is Hardik. Okay. If you print this dictionary, then updated dictionary is printed. So this is the output student. In this way, you can update dictionary. All right. Now next, how to delete element from the dictionary student. So you can use del method. Yes, Uddhav. Currently, Gill का performance अच्छा नहीं है. I agree with you. So how to delete element from the dictionary? Del D key. You can delete element from the dictionary with the help of this student. Use del this keyword del D key. So it delete entries associated with the specified key. It delete entries associated with the specified keys. If the key is not available, then we will get key error. For example, D equals to 100 Virat, 200 Rohit, 300 Rahul. So print D. If you print this D, then this is printed, right, student? Now del D 100, del D 100. Then what will happen? So del D 100. Then what will happen, student? Entire this key value pair is deleted, student. Entire this one is deleted. Okay, and the output of this one, better होगा कि you can write here, otherwise आप confuse हो जाएंगे. Right, del D, this is deleted. Now after this print D, if you print D, it print what? This entire pair is deleted. So this is the output. D400, this key not exists, so it generate what? Key error. D dot clear to remove all entries from the dictionary, but dictionary exists, student. To remove all entries from the dictionary, let D equals to dictionary given hai, already given hai, print D. If you print this D, then entire this dictionary is printed. If you perform D dot clear, then print D, then what it print? This print like this, okay? Del D to delete total dictionary. Now we cannot access it. To delete total dictionary, right? Not individual key value pair, it delete permanently. Okay, student. So if you del D, then this permanently, this entire this is deleted. And if you print here, then it generate what? It generate named error. Name D is not defined. Name D is not defined. So okay. Now after this, we will discuss some important function of dictionary, student. So break for 10 minutes, student. Okay. Now break for 10 minutes. ऑल राइट, 10 मिनट का ब्रेक है, आपको जाना नहीं है अभी. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर ब्रेक. ओके, 10 मिनट का ब्रेक है. 10 मिनट के बाद हम लोग मिलते हैं अराउंड 12:03 पर. ओके. ओके, 12:10 PM तक ठीक है, इट्स फाइन. उद्धव. ओके, यस स्टूडेंट, बिल्कुल आएगा। हेमंत मिश्रा जी आएगा। Important functions for dictionary student, important functions method for dictionary. These are the some important methods for dictionary. So dict, we have already used dict student to create a dictionary. If you write d equals to dict, it create empty dictionary. It create what? Directly you can say like this one also. D equals to dict 100 Virat 200 Rohit. It create a dictionary with the specified element. Okay. Alien, it return the number of item in the dictionary. Alien, it return the number of item in the dictionary. And third, clear, to remove all entries from the dictionary. बच्चे, clear to remove all entries in the dictionary, right? Get, to get the value associated with the keys. To get the value associated with the keys, student. D dot get key. The syntax for this is D dot get key. If the key is available, then return the corresponding value, student. What is the meaning of this? D dot get key. If the key is available, then return the corresponding value. Then return what, sir? Corresponding value. Otherwise, return none. It won't raise any error, student. Otherwise, it return none. All right. So this is the D dot get key method. Now next is pop method. D dot pop key method. What is the syntax for this? So D dot pop, inside this you are passing here key. Okay. It remove the entry associated with the specified key, student, and return the corresponding value. It remove, what this method is doing, it remove the entry associated with the specified key. Okay. And return the corresponding value. If the specified key is not available, then we will get key error, student. Then we will get key error. Yes, welcome back. Okay, very good. बाकी के लोग कहाँ हैं? आ गए सभी लोग? For example, D equals to 100 Virat, 200 Rohit, 300 Rahul. Print D dot pop 100. I want to D dot pop 100. Perform this operation D dot pop 100. Then बच्चे, it remove what? It remove entry associated with the specified keys. So this entry is removed and return the corresponding value. What is the corresponding value? It return, student, here. What it print here? Sir, Virat. Okay. If you print this, then remaining dictionary printed. All right. D dot pop 100. I want to print D dot pop 100. So this key is not exist, right? So that's why it generate key error, student. Key error. So note here, pop will return the value, but del will not return the value, right? Del will not return the value. This is the difference, student. So next, D equals to 100 Virat, 200 Rohit, 300 Rahul. V equals to D dot pop 200. So what it will print, student? So if you perform this D dot pop 200, then this key value pair is deleted from the dictionary and it return the corresponding value. What is the value here, student? Sir, Rohit. Corresponding value of this key, Rohit, is assigned to this V. Now I am printing this D, then remaining dictionary printed, student, 100 Virat, 300 Sir Rahul. This remaining dictionary printed. Now I want to print V. What it be? Sir, V contain what, sir? This is Rohit. Okay. This is Rohit. This is pop method, bache. This is pop method. How we can apply pop method? Sir, just like dictionary variable dot pop, inside this you have to pass key. Okay, so it delete the corresponding key value pair, right, student? Now and return the value. Sir, I want to delete the last key value pair. Then what should I do for this? So for this, you can use this pop item, this method. Okay. So pop item function in Python used with dictionary to remove and return the last key value pair. Remove and return the last inserted key value pair as a tuple. Okay. The pop item function in Python is used with dictionary to remove and return the last inserted key value pair as a tuple student. And it follow the last in first out order, meaning it remove the most recently added items student. And how pop item works? It remove the last inserted key value pair from the dictionary. It return the removed item as a tuple, just like this one key value. And third, the dictionary is empty. It raise a key error. It raise a key error. Okay. For example, sir, this is a dictionary student. This dictionary is given 𝐂𝐤𝐵 equals to d dot pop item. So d dot pop item method remove the last key value pair, last inserted key value pair. So what is the last inserted key value pair? So this one is deleted student. All right. So this one is deleted and key value pair is written in the form of tuple. So basically it written what? Sir, deleted key value pair is what, sir? Sir, 300 and comma, sir, Rahul. In the form of tuple, it written, then it receive where, sir? Sir, this receive, sir, key is pointing to this one and this value we point to this Rahul. Now I want to print D. If you print D, then remaining dictionary printed student. So remaining dictionary printed. Okay. Now print KV. So what it print student? Inside the tuple, it print 300 Rahul. So this is the answer. Now next method, sir, it return all keys associated with the dictionary. So basically, this is very important method student. The syntax for this is d dot keys. Okay. And the previous method, this is d dot get keys. Don't confuse this previous method. This one is where is d dot keys. D dot get keys. This is get keys, right? Not keys. D dot get keys. If the key is available, then return the corresponding value. Otherwise, return none. It won't raise any error. This is d dot get key, and this is d dot key. Both is different things, student. Okay. So d dot key return a view object. It return what, student? It return a view object. It return a view object. Sir, क्या होता है ये view object? What is view object? What is view object, student? It return a special object. It return a special object called dict underscore key. Dict underscore keys called it is called as dict underscore keys, which act like a list which acts like a list which acts like a list student but stay connected to the dictionary. Which act like a list but stay connected to the dictionary. Stay connected to the dictionary. So this stay connected to the dictionary, that's like live window, a live window into the dictionary. This is what view object, this live window. Right? Stay connected to the dictionary. So that's why we can say this is a live window into the dictionary. Okay. So what is the meaning of this live window view object explained with example? So let I write here, sir, one example is student. So example, D equals to, this is a dictionary student, D equals to 1 is a key and A is a value, let's suppose 2 is a key and B is a value student. Okay. So keys underscore view equals to D dot keys. Here I am just D dot keys. Keys view equals to D dot keys student. Now print. So what it print is student, and after this I am assigning D3 equals to C. So D equals to, this is a dictionary, key view, this is a हमने dictionary, uh, this is a variable keys, D dot keys, and print keys underscore view. So what it print is student, it print what is it return a special object, call it dict underscore key. It called a dict underscore key. Dict underscore key, which act like a list, student. And what is the keys of this this list dictionary? 1 2. So this is the output student. This is the view object, this is the output, dict underscore keys 1 comma 2. Okay. Now I am adding here sir D3 equals to C. Sir, third is a key and C is the value. Okay. And this is live window. So what is the meaning of live window? This is live window updated lively. And now after this I am printing key underscore V. What it print is student? So live window means, sir, now one more key added, one more entry added here. So this is the output. So this is the meaning of live window student. Live window, you are updating this key value, this variable is updated. Okay. So what is the output of this one, student? It return what? List, and it return list, and उस list का special list है, it return view object, or we can say return list. And output is dict underscore keys. What are the keys here, student? Sir, 100, 101, 102, 103. So this is the answer. D dot pop item, student. D dot pop item, this method used for last in first out. It follow last in first out. Last key value pair is deleted, student. Okay, student. So what is the last key value pair? This is another example, बच्चे. This is another example. Last key value pair D dot pop item से deleted. It return list in the form of tuple, student. So what is the output? Last key value pair, I think this is 103 and Chetan. So this is the output. D dot pop 100. D dot pop 100. This method is doing what, sir? Sir, 100 number key value pair is deleted and return the value. Sir, 100th number, this is key value pair is deleted and return value only, student. So this is the output, student. Okay. After this, if you print D, then what you will get? If you print D, you will get remaining dictionary, student. Okay. So this is the answer. All right. Now next, values, student. Next method. It return all value associated with the dictionary. So D dot value, this is also a view object. D dot value, this also return what, sir? View object, student. It also return view object, student. Okay. सर क्या मतलब है व्यू ऑब्जेक्ट इसका भी? तो वही मतलब है बच्चे, जैसे कि मैंने लिखा सर डिक्शनरी डी इक्वल्स टू 1 इज अ की, ए इज अ वैल्यू, 2 इज अ की, सर बी इज अ वैल्यू. ओके. ओह, सब गुड़ गोबर हो गया भाई. अच्छा, एक बार फिर से करना पड़ेगा, मैंने यहाँ पे हटाया था ना. सो वन मोर टाइम्स, सर डी डॉट वैल्यूज, इट रिटर्न व्हाट, सर? व्यू ऑब्जेक्ट. सर व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ व्यू ऑब्जेक्ट, स्टूडेंट? सो इसको एक एग्जांपल से देखते हैं. This is dictionary. Okay. Values underscore view equals to d dot values. D dot values. Okay, this is also live window, student, and print. So what it print is, student, and D3 equals to C. I'm updating this dictionary and print. So what it print is, student? Yes, everyone reply answer for this one. This is also generate live window, student. So values is pointing to d dot values. So what it d dot values is, student? It print dict underscore values. And the form of list, student. What are the value here, sir? A or B? Now I am updating dictionary D3 equals to C. So this is also live window, student. Value view. What it print is, student? New value is C. So this is the output. Okay. Similarly, for pop items, it return the list of tuples representing key value pair. So this is also view object, student. Live window. It return list of tuples representing key value pair like this form. Okay. So D equals to 100 Durga, 200 Ravi, 300 Shiva for KB in D dot pop items. So D dot pop item means what is, student? What is D dot pop items? So key value pair is, student, in the form of tuple. Sir, 100 Durga, this is one tuple. Another is what, sir? 200 Ravi, 300 Shiva in the form of tuple. Now KB in D dot pop items. So every pair KB in D dot pop items, it print KB, student. It print like this KB. So what is the output, student? So every pair, sir, KB in D dot pop items. So every pair, so this one, and this one. So your result is what, sir? Output look like this. Sir, 100. Okay, so your output look like this. Okay. सो ये देखिएगा बच्चे, ये एक एग्जांपल, इसको समझिए. D, this is a dictionary, student, and keys D dot D dot values, D dot pop items, all written view object. These all written what is, student? View object. These all returns what, sir? View object. Okay, D dot keys, D dot value, D dot item. Return what's the view object? It means live window. Okay. So print D dot print keys. If I print keys, then it print what's the view object, sir? Is dict underscore keys AB, only keys, student, right? Similarly, values dict underscore keys, dict underscore sorry, values है ना ये values होगा, यहाँ की नहीं होगा. Correct it. dict underscore values. Okay, 1 2, and d dot items, sir, dict underscore key pair, key value pair in the form of tuple, student, right? And whole inside in the list. And now I am updating this dictionary, bache. I am updating this dictionary. D3 equals to C, then this is the live window. If you print keys, then dict underscore key equals to ABC, updated बच्चे, this is updated. Okay, values dict under, फिर again keys लिख दिया, this is values बच्चे, ये हम mistake है, से correct कर लीजिए. One, two, three. Fine. Print items. Sir, I want to print this items. So d dot items key value pair. So this is the meaning, sir. Actual meaning, sir. D dot keys, d dot values, d dot items. These are all important. It generate what, sir? Special. It return view object. This is live window. This is the meaning of this, student. Understood, student? You understood this concept? Okay. So this is the important method, student. Now next, copy to create exact duplicate dictionary or cloned or all cloned bache. Then we can use what's our copy method bache. We can use copy method. Okay. Set default kb. If the key is already available, then this function return the corresponding value. This function return what, sir? If key is already available, then this function return the corresponding value. If the key is not available, then the specified key value will be added as a new item to the dictionary, and return value. Okay. So ये dictionary, this dictionary is given d equals to 100 Krishna, 101 Ravi, 102 Sagar, 103 Chetan. So print d dot set default 100 Suraj. I want to add d 100 Suraj, student, and this third and fourth. My dear student, यहाँ थोड़ा सा little bit changes है इसमें. सर ये fourth expression है बच्चे, ये third expression है. ठीक है, third line है. Okay. So if the d dot set default kb set default method, what this method is doing, student, if the key is already available, then this function return the corresponding value, return the corresponding value only. If the key is not available, then a specified key value will be added as the new item to the dictionary and return what's her value. So d equals to 100 Krishna, 101 Ravi, 102 Sagar, 103 Chetan. Print d dot set default 100 Suraj. Is Suraj 100 key, this key is already exist or not? So this key is already exists, student. So it is not added. It return default value of it return the value corresponding to this key. So understood, student? That this key is already available, so it will not update, student. Not added because already this key and value pair already added is here. So the answer of this, it return Krishna, student. Okay, printed. Now line number third. D dot set default 200 Ishita. Is 200 exist here? 200 here exists here? No, sir. So add here, sir, 200 and the corresponding value, this corresponding value, and return the value, student, and return value. So it return value kya hai? So this is the output, student. Okay. Now fourth point, print d dot set default 300. Set default 300, right? Set default 300. So you are not adding, so 300 key exists here? No. So you are passing here 300. This become the what student key? You are not passing value here, student. Not passing value here. So what will happen, student? What will happen, student? Sir, corresponding to this, it will add, sir, none. Okay. Now I want to print this d. Then what is the output, student? Output look like this: 100. 300 none. So this is the output, student. This is the set default method. All right. Now update method in dictionary, student. How we can call update methods are d.updatex, d.updatex. All item present in the dictionary X will be added to dictionary D. Sir, d.updatex, all item present in the dictionary X will be added to the dictionary D, student. So here D1 dictionary equals to A key, apple is a value, B key, ball is a value, D2 A is a key, Android is a value, sir, iPhone, Android value, I is a key, iPhone is a value. So D1 dot update D2, I'm calling this method. So what will happen? D1 dot update D2. Append or update D1 according to this generate append or update D1 according to D2, right? The meaning of this, sir, all items present in the dictionary X will be added to the dictionary D. Okay, will be added to the dictionary D, student. So append or update D1 according to what, student? According to D2, student. So what is the output of this one, student? Yes, everyone reply answer for this. Sir, according to D2, the updated value of this key is Android. So this Apple is updated. So here this Android. Okay. So this is the answer. All right. So in this way, you can call update method. Now, tell me, student, what is the answer for this? By default, all operations are performed on keys, student. On key. Okay. So D equals to 10, sir, Sachin, and this is the value. 45, this is a key, Rohit is a value. Sir, 1 is the key. Here 1 is the key. This is 1 is the key. And Rahul is the value. Now print length of this D. What is the length of this D, student? Yes, Uddha, very good. What is the length of this, student? So by default, sir, this is 3. Minimum D is what, student? Minimum D. And by default, all operation perform on key, sir, 1. Maximum D means by default, all operation perform on key, sir, 45. Okay. Sorted D by default, sorted this method, sorted method, and it generate list, student. One 10 and 45. Sachin and D, what is the output of this one? Yes, Sachin and D. This is false because by default, all operation perform on key. So by default search in keys, there is no Sachin नाम की कोई key नहीं है. So there is no Sachin name key. So that's why this is false. Why false? Because search in keys, because default search in keys. So there is no key name of Sachin. What is D dot values? LEN D dot values. How many values here, student? D dot values, 3 values. D dot value generate 3 value, and LEN length of this list is what, sir? 3. There are 3 values, na? Minimum D dot value is what, student? Minimum D dot values. Which one is minimum, student? Minimum string means according to by default string sorted in default natural sorting order in dictionary order. dictionary order, or we can say lexicographical order. So in dictionary, what is the order of these strings, sir? Sachin, Rohit and Rahul, which come first? Sir, Rahul. Yes, Rahul, R and S, this one, and this come first, student. So minimum string, if I talk about, so this is Rahul, na? What about maximum D dot value, student? Maximum D dot values. In values, Sachin, Rohit and Rahul. Which value is maximum, student? In dictionary order, which come at the last, I think Sachin. So Sachin, this is the output. Sorted D dot values. I want to sort this. So what is the output, sir? Rahul, Rohit, Rahul, Rohit, and last Sachin. Last 10th. So Sachin in D dot value, is this true? This is a membership operator. Yes, sir. So in this way, you can apply, you can perform dictionary operation. Okay. All right, student. So this is the summary about all data type, student. This is a summary about all data type. If I talk about list, student, this is very important. Theoretical question may be asked in GATE exam, right? Sir, list, it is a group of values. List, what is list? List is a group of value, and list is a group of value. It is mutable. List is mutable. Indexing support, duplicates allowed, order preserve, comprehension, right? It perform comprehension support, right, student? Second is tuple. Tuple is also group of values, but this is not mutable. Tuple is what, sir? Immutable. Tuple कैसा है? Immutable है बच्चे. इंडेक्सिंग सपोर्ट, डुप्लीकेट्स अलाउड, ऑर्डर प्रिजर्व, कंप्रहेंशन आप नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि yesterday we have seen, if you perform comprehension on tuple, it will generate what's a generator, right? Generator, understood? So comprehension not allowed. And now set is a group of value, right? Unique values, and set is mutable. Yes. Indexing support on set? No. Indexing slicing not supported, right? Not perform indexing and then slicing, student. And duplicates allowed on a set? No, sir. Duplicates not allowed. And sir, set में order preserve होगा? No. Order not preserve, student. And comprehension? Yes, you can perform comprehension. Okay. Now frozen set, student. Frozen set, this is a group of values. Is mutable? No. This is the mutable version of this set. Immutable version of this set, student. Set is mutable. Set is what, sir? Set is mutable. Frozen set is immutable. Rest of all is same, student. Set is what, sir? Mutable. Frozen set is immutable. Rest of all is same. No, rest of all may be comprehension. This is different, student. Look here. So set supports sir comprehension, and no, frozen set में comprehension नहीं होगा बच्चे, right? This is different. One more different. Okay. Dictionary is not a group of value. This is a group of keys and value. This is a group of key value pair, student. Okay. Dictionary is mutable, student. Dictionary is mutable. Okay. Yes. Okay. Indexing, dictionary support indexing? No. Why so? Dictionary, because in dictionary the data is stored in the form of key value pair. There is no indexing. We can access data with the help of keys, not indexes, student. So indexing not supported. Okay. And duplicates keys not allowed, keys must be unique and values can be duplicate. Okay, in dictionary mein if I talk about duplicacy, keys must be unique and immutable and values can be any type, right, mutable or immutable as well as duplicate also. Order preserve hoga, comprehension support, yes, comprehension support. So this is important table student, theoretical question may be asked in GATE exam. Okay, so that's all in today class. So that's all in today lecture, student. So now all data type finished. Okay, student, with all methods and properties. And in tomorrow lecture, we will start function. Okay, function and recursion are very, very important for GATE exam. Okay. Okay, dear. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you again. कल मिलते हैं. और आप दोस्तों को भी शेयर करिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर करिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट होंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा. ओके, थोड़ा कॉम्पिटिटिव एनवायरनमेंट होगा. यस उद्धव. थैंक यू. यस, मिलते हैं कल.